Here's a camera. I removed the SD card from it and I would like to transfer the photos videos from this memory card to the laptop. Now what to do, because I can't find my card reader and the laptop does not have a card reader. Well, in that case I'm using a micro SD inside an SD adapter, and luckily I have a camera here. So I can remove the memory card of this one and insert the camera's memory card into that camera, action camera. Open the USB port, connect a USB-C data cable, and that is connected to my laptop. Now open a file explorer window, and the memory card is not shown here. Power on the camera. And here is the memory card of the large camera. It's a Nikon. And now I can transfer everything from here. Select all, cut, and place it, let's say, onto this drive. Not enough space. Delete that. Empty the recycle bin. And try it again. And now it's copying the photos and videos of this camera through the action camera onto the laptop. So just in case you don't have a card reader at hand, but you have a camera at hand, and luckily I'm using a micro SD inside an SD adapter. In that case, it's possible to transfer files from this device to that device through that one. The transfer speed is not huge, it's only 35 megabyte. Using a dedicated memory card, the speed might be triple, 3 times larger, and all the files were transferred to the laptop. Remove the USB cable. Remove the memory card, is there, that one. Some nails are needed. Put the action camera's memory card back. A click was noticed, and that's it. Thank you, action camera. It's the good old Yi4K Plus. Mission successful.